Alright, fools, get in the car. We need to talk about renewable energy. Today we're talking about the F50 80V. She's not always 80V, but if you press her all day, she will be. Anyways, get in. Don't worry, it's Spooktober. He can drive. He's pretty irradiated because of the fallout. We're going to need to get his 12-volt TV going, and this thing will do just fine. So the unit runs about 20 bucks, and the idea is you hook it up from a pipe to a pipe and you make the thing go, and away it goes. So it's actually a kazoo. Check this out. I swear there was a toy when I was little that did that exact thing. Wrong side. The cat's looking at me like I'm freaking nuts with his leg right up in the air. You look nuts. Now what I intend to do to get a test going is to poke a hole in the bottom of there and run water through here to a bucket, and then I can get one of the kids to just keep moving the buckets because it's hilarious. So my dad built a really interesting kind of water scheme. All the water from the house seems to come off to the garage and down here, so I might as well get some energy off that, I'm thinking. You could also harness the lazy smoker stoners by like rolling a fat chronic blunt and like putting it here, and when they haul, it smelled really bad, but if you can get enough stoners to do it down at the park, holy crud, I found a way to monetize stoners, guys. Check it out. Oh, lovely. I suppose if you had a kid brother, you could tell him if you blow on it really hard, a genie will pop out or something. Now, this thing has no currency regulator and it jumps voltage all the way up to 80, so I definitely recommend that you get a regulator on one of these things in order to change it to a speed that it should be, a speed of voltage. Yes, but a lovely item. Definitely a lovely item. I wish the cable was a little bit bigger, but for 20 bucks, I can't complain about anything. As long as you harness this the right way, you can definitely make some energy with it.